We've had a pretty long 24 hours here. It's been real. All right, so what we had we had a nor'easter. We're in the northeast. We had a nor'easter and heavy wet snow blew onto these trees, and stuck. And then there was a big windstorm right after that, and wrecked everything for miles. Amazingly though, it didn't snow. Like just 2 miles from here. So if I could drive 2 miles down the mountain, I'm on top of a mountain right now. There's no snow. Oh, they still have wind damage, but there's no snow. So we got a lot of work to do to clean this up, and that'll be a busy couple days. This took out our power line, so we're on generator right now. We don't have any phone or internet or nothing, so we're on cell service at this moment. Neighbors the same way. Pretty much everybody up here doesn't have power. The utility crews are pretty far down the road, still working, trying to clean the mess up. Okay, so with that, we're still doing maple syrup. Amazing. All right, so we have a couple other problems. Down our driveway here, we have a little stream there. We have a new bridge to our neighbor's house. So the house across this river, a little bridge. All right, we got to clean that up this week. We had some trees fall in the driveway. I was able to cut those up, get those out of the way so I could plow here. Crazy. All right, just a mess. We got a lot of work to do, and we're still doing maple syrup, and it's hard to manage that. I didn't even start a fire today for it yet. I have to. Got to dig the wood out. I tarped the wood before the snowstorm, so it's all nice and dry, but I did not get to light the fire yet today. Been all over the place trying to correct this line. Now the lines are still flowing. What had happened was, and I should have probably got the camera before, but ice stuck to around the hose here. I'll show you. There's one place that probably still is like that because it was difficult. There was a big, huge piece of ice. You see that sag there? We'll go over there in a moment. Let's head over there. Tree out of the way. All right, so this is what had happened here. Whoa. Is that this was all over. This one's tough. That's why it's still here. But it's all like, let's see. We're flowing very slow. See? Very slow, which is probably good because I don't have the energy right now to handle any more sap at this moment. But as you can see, we have a lot of sags right now due to the snow. Like a lot of sags. The snow was all over the line, and it sagged. Some of it was touching the ground. It was tough. I was running around here cleaning off the line. I should have. See, that's on the ground. I don't know if you can see that one. See if I can get over there. There's a mess everywhere still from all this snow. It knocked down a whole bunch of stuff. This line was tight the day before yesterday. That's how much it sagged. It's almost on the ground now. See, I gotta get that up. I didn't clean off this tap. What am I doing? See, what happened was, is also snow sticks to the tap, and that freezes the tap. when I didn't clean up that tap. I don't know why. All right. So a few trees did fall on the line, but it didn't break. It just stretched. It didn't break the line, didn't pull the line apart. And this is one of these lines over there. A tree fell on it. Or a small tree, but it still pushed it all the way to the ground. So that's the extent of our maple syrup damage. I have to run around and tighten the lines again for the third time this year. But we're still catching sap. And yes, I have to light up our fine maple sap cooker, our makeshift maple sap cooker. Yeah, we're flowing very slow, but that's good. I can't take any more than that right now. All right. So I'm gonna light this up in a little bit. I don't know. I have so much to do. Holy crap.